Hi friends, today we will install Ansible. For that I will take to Ubuntu machines. Let's launch the instance. Ansible Master machine. I'll select Ubuntu. Next I am taking key pair as Ubuntu. Let me take, I have this key pair Ubuntu mini nickname. Okay, let's launch the instance. Let me launch one more instance. It is a target machine. Target machine. Select Ubuntu. Key pair is this one, Ubuntu mini nickname. Launch instance. So I have launched two Ubuntu machines. One is Ansible Master and other one is Ansible. Other one is Target machine. Okay. First, what you do? I will install the Ansible in Ansible Master. So select this one. Take the public IP. Go to mobile extreme. Actually, I will take mobile extreme here. Mobile extreme. Session SSH public IP Ubuntu machine. So user is Ubuntu. Advanced SSH settings. Use private key. My key is Ubuntu. This one in 99.pem. Click on OK. Okay. In this master machine we will install Ansible. Okay, so first we will update the sudo apt-get update. Okay, next command is this one. Next command is install Ansible. So next is we need to check the version of the Ansible, that is Ansible -- version. So the Ansible version is 2.14.6. So once we install the Ansible, that machine will become the Ansible master. Actually what we have to do in the Ansible, from the Ansible master we have to take the public key and we have to copy it into target machine. For that we have to run the ssh-keygen, so that we have to establish a connection between the Ansible master and Ansible target machine. So we have to do like passwordless, we have to create like passwordless authentication we have to create for that one, between the master machine and target machines. For that I will run this command ssh-keygen. Click on enter, click one more enter, enter. Okay, next if you ls-a, see this is the .ssh file folder, .ssh, and ls, see this is the ls-la. So this is the public key. We need to copy this public key from this master machine to target machine. Okay, so what I do, we give cat command for this. Okay, so next we will go for target machine once. So this is the target machine. I will log into target machine once. Go to mobile system, sessions, SSH, IP, Ubuntu is the user, advanced SSH settings, private key, my private key is Ubuntu 99. Okay, click on OK. So right now I log into my target machine. Okay, this is my target machine. So I need to copy. So this is my, for understanding, this is my Ansible master machine. This is my target machine. I am renaming that actually, okay, for better understanding. Target machine. So to establish passwordless communication between master and Ansible, we need to copy this public key and paste it in this target machine. I will tell in which path we have to paste this key. First we copy this public key. Okay, then go to target machine, type ls-la, go to cd.ssh, ls. See, this is the authorized keys. We have to copy the public key here only. vi authorized keys. See, here some key is there. Go to last, click on enter and paste the key here. Okay, now save it, escape:wq. Okay. Now go to target machine. SSH. What is the target server IP we have to provide? That one is machine IP, this one. See, right now I log in into target machine. See, this is the IP 19. I can show you here. This is the private IP. Private IP of target machine. Okay. So what I did right now, I installed Ansible. After that, I established the connection between Ansible Master and Target machine, and I created the passwordless authentication right now between Ansible Master and Target machine. Okay. Thank you guys.